We are discussing an exciting paradigm shift taking place in the tech landscape: generative AI-motivated migration from classical databases like Oracle or MS SQL to Amazon Aurora. First off, why are companies making this move? The answer is simple: for the capability to enable databases for GenAI. 88% of organizations report they realize the value of adopting Amazon Aurora integrated with GenAI solutions. When migrating to Amazon Aurora from traditional databases, a whopping 90% of businesses have found they can successfully implement AI and machine learning use cases. Next up, performance improvement. A massive 63% of developers cite better performance as a motivating factor for migrating to managed open-source databases like MySQL and PostgreSQL on Amazon Aurora. And let's not forget the value of vendor independence. No longer tied to a single provider's roadmap or licensing terms, 70% of businesses recognize this flexibility as a key benefit of open-source databases. That's where Mactores comes in. We specialize in using automation to mitigate these risks through our comprehensive database migration programs. With Mactores, you don't just get a services partner. You gain a partner committed to ensuring your transition to an Amazon Aurora database enabled with GenAI is seamless and successful. So whether you're looking to enable GenAI, integrate AI or machine learning, or gain performance, remember, a migration journey with Mactores is a journey to success. Attend our workshop to learn more about how Mactores can guide you on your database migration journey. Thank you for your time.